other option for when you want to add one shape or one image onto a background. Again, for instance, a staff picture onto a background is to not cut it out first. You can say you didn't have it already cut out. You have your staff picture here. You have your background here. What you can do is take your image that's not cut out yet, grab him, gotta unlock him first, grab, hold, drag, hover over this other window where your other image is, let go, and he's there. We're going to do Control T to size him to the size we want. Say that's the size we want him. Hit enter and place him down there. Now we're going to do our same thing with our mask. So we're going to click on this layer because we want to create the mask on this layer. The mask meaning we're going to put a film over this guy Tobias, and we're going to color with black on our selection to reveal what's behind him. So let's add our mask, a layer mask. Make sure you're clicked on this layer, not on him right here in the layers panel. Click on the mask. Go to your quick selection, enlarge so you can go faster. We're just going to do a rough selection here. Okay, we've got pretty much what we want here. Let's get rid of this E. Okay. Let's get his flag on there. Get rid of the 6. Alright, so we pretty much just have the person in this selection. Now, if I color, go over here, get my brush. I have black in front, so that means it's going to show through. See, I'm coloring a hole in him. It's showing what's behind it. I don't want to color through him. I want to color through the truck. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to go to Select, Inverse. Which is the opposite of what I selected, basically. Now I can go ahead and I can color black. I can make this huge, and you can see where my circle is. It's revealing what's in the selection, and it's leaving him alone because he's got the ants around him. He's safe. Now, say I wanted to leave it like that, and I want that much of the truck showing. And then I'm like, well, no, I want more of the truck showing. I'm just going to go and switch to white, and it adds it back in. So you can't really mess it up. But we don't really want the truck. So we're just going to color all of that. It's all nice and blue back there except for that one little guy. Let it do its thing. Now we're going to go back to quick selection because we have this guy here. Take that out. Go back to your brush. Color black, and it got rid of that little poking out thing. Now we're going to deselect, and you're all good. There's a way to make him a little more feathered into the background. So let's play around with this. You can see that kind of feathers it. A little goes a long way with these adjustments in Photoshop. So you can do it here with the slider. That's obviously way too much. So it kind of fades it in so it looks a little more natural, so to speak. So let's see what 5 does. 5, see, that's too much. 2, that's okay. Let's see what 3 would do. So it just needs a little tiny bit. We're going to go with 2. And obviously you would clean these edges and these things up, but changing that feather to the mask blends it a little better.